What's up, the YouTubes? It has been a minute, at least 2 months. I don't think I've uploaded for over 2 months now. A lot has gone on. Like I said, I was taking a break from filming because I have to get this house done that I've been working on. A lot of progress has happened in the house over the last 2 months, and we're working on getting it kind of closed in before winter, because that is it's coming. We only got a few months left till that shows up. So let me show you what's going on. A lot of things have changed with the S2000, with the CRV, with the house, everything. There's the old beater wagon. I drive it a lot. It's fun. It's stock. It's awesome. Our fancy mower. Busted up deer van, S2000 body. It's all still here. So here's the biggest thing I've got going on. That is a lot of tin. There's tin on this roof and on the other side and on the porch. So that's been what I've been working on lately. It's windy again today. I should have the forklift back later. They can put more tin on because winter is coming. So this is also new. House wrap, windows, power, a big hole I dug yesterday to where they're supposed to put my new pole to run power. A lot of new dirt. As you see, working on a deck. Got dirt, got my yard almost filled up. Got this section to finish, got doors hung, got windows taped. It's good, things are going good. Got all the electrical done, got all my lighting in, getting all my water, my plumbing stuff over there going, get all my wires to my panels, got all that fun stuff. AC is in, I got most of it ran now and the ducting in place. So I got the AC units going. Things are going. There's a lot of little things. And we're getting close to getting a 4-way done. Just got to finish all the pecs, running the pecs. And then, yeah, upstairs is good to go. There's the old Mustang, still running. We got some big plans for it. Here's some customers' cars. There she is. There's the Butte CRV. It is running. It is back together. It is still turboed. Had to turn the boost down. I was at 16. I dropped it down to 11. It's on stock. I didn't want to blow it up too fast. Yep, still runs the drives. Turbo still hangs out there. But I have just a regular intake on it. And I use that as my exhaust. So it still makes whistly spool boy noises. But it's pretty cool. There's the S. Most of it together. I drive it now. Still got the rear quarter, needs fixed, but it's all there. Got it all working. Got the wheels all matching. Kind of got it back together under here. Got the intake and stuff. Got it all cleaned up. I drive it. Put the new seats, the nicer seats in it. It's good to go. So yes, it is running. It is running. It is running. This one, I actually got the title for it. The guy sent me a title after almost a year in the mail, which is awesome, so I can register it now. But this one might get sacrificed for this one. Haven't figured it out yet. I might go all-wheel drive, EF sedan, B series, boosted. Or maybe just LSV for now, all-wheel drive. And then the S I'm working on selling. Need to get my cash back out of it. I don't have time to fix the body like I want to. Give the shell and that one to someone else to finish, and they get a sweet setup. So that's what's going on with that. There's some updates for you. The weather's nice. It's finally warming up. At night it's getting really cold. Today it's supposed to be like 78 or something. So it's going to be super nice today. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff been going on. I've been working on this house a ton, daily. Fridays and Saturdays have been taking off now. Been putting 25-30 hours a day into the house. Then in between doing some customers' cars, fixing stuff. So I haven't done much. I've been knocking that stuff out just to get it out of the way and get it moving. So not much, haven't shown much, like I said. Haven't seen the progress because there hasn't been filming. It just takes a lot of time and effort to film and to share everything going on. And I have so much I'm doing here, and I have a time frame that's kicking my butt, but we're getting there. Okay, so the house is definitely going to take me into winter to get it done so I can be living in it. I did get my garage doors. That's something else that showed up. I'm not putting them in until I get it insulated and drywalled, because the whole garage will be insulated. So it'll be halfway warm. Also bought insulated garage doors to help with that factor. So in the winters I don't lose tons of heat to the house and in the garage, but in the meantime I can put an easy heater, little electric heater in here, and keep it nice. I don't have a lift yet. That's still to come. It hasn't been a priority, like I said. Paying for other stuff is more important to get the house done, and paying for labor. But one of the projects is this motor here. There's some heads down there, couple heads, couple parts. So I was going to give the Fox body to my mother-in-law, and she thought it was cool and it was kind of fun, but I don't know if the automatic's just hard on her now after she had some health issues and stuff with the manual transmission, and it needed some work. So I thought about, I got something else in mind for her I want to do. So I think I'm going to keep the Mustang, and I think it's going to be a winter project and the Volkswagen. I'll tell you some crap with the Volkswagen, but I think I want to make a drift stang out of the Fox body. So I have friends that do drifting. I have a new 5.0 engine here, rotating assembly. I just picked up some GT40 heads for almost free. GT40P heads with crane cam springs and roller rockers. Already in there. So I scored on that. I think I'm going to build the motor, kind of make it nice, put it together. I'm still going to run carbureted, not fuel injection on the Mustang. I'm not going to put a top on it. I'm going to do a Wise Fox angle kit, steering stuff. Been in contact with him. He's going to hook me up. So I think the Fox body is going to be a Mustang, drift Mustang. I've been in the drift forever, basically. 08, I moved back from England after a few years. Got into drifting then. I went to a lot of drift events and car shows and stuff while I was getting started, and something I really thought it was cool, and I'd enjoy doing it myself. Next would be getting a bigger trailer and a truck to pull a trailer if I trailer it to events. So I'm going to start selling off a lot of stuff to work on this one goal and this one project of mine. And it should be fun. I think I'm going to work at it. I got a friend who's going to Pro 2 next year, which is awesome. So I'm hoping I can get more involved with him, just to go around with him, maybe go to an event or two and experience it, see what it's really like. Just make the old Wise Fox body Mustang drift car. Here's the Volkswagen that's been paused for my mom. There's been some crap that's come up. been trying to work on finishing the headliner and stuff, and I was going to start, mocking it out and putting in the carpet kit so that I can get it kind of where I need it to be. Finish off the headliner and stuff like that. But to come to find out that my stuff got misplaced. So I'm missing the carpet kit, the rear trunk, and the rear seat, and the rear seat pads, and the foam, and all the stuff. The frame, it's all misplaced. It's super dumb. It's freaking frustrating. This is a 71 Super Beetle, so it's a lot harder to find the frames and the stuff for it because it's a little bit bigger. So it's just super ridiculous. Okay guys, there's a lot of my drama and things going on. Some awesome stuff, like there has been great progress. And cars have been built, some cars are being driven, and things have been fun, but then things are getting misplaced and taken, and projects are getting pushed behind, and things have changed. So that's just an update with Wide Open Throttle Garage. Just wanted to throw that out there and let you guys know what's going on. That's all the drama in my life. It could be worse. I'm not saying my life is sucky. I'm super blessed. I'm blessed to be able to put this house together. I'm blessed with the skills to do it, even though it's taking me a lot longer. I'm blessed that I have the energy and health and strength to do so. I'm blessed that I have these cars and vehicles and things I can work on. So, don't get me wrong there. I'm super blessed with those things, and that's why living in America is an awesome blessing. You can do these things. You can create businesses. You can make opportunities for yourself. Yes, there's always some hard things that come through that brought on by other people. So make sure you keep your head up and you find the support where it's most needed, and you get it the most through your family or whoever, whatever you believe in, whoever you believe in, whatever helps you in your life, find that support. So yeah, that's just what's going on in my life. I haven't been filming to get this stuff done. So I hope you guys, understand where I'm at, why I haven't been filming much. I'm hoping to kind of revamp and restart in the new year once I'm in the house and my family has a place to live. And it's going to be awesome. This should be an awesome place. We'll have an awesome shop. We'll have tons of space. We can do fun stuff. We can build some cool cars. And it will be awesome. So thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage Update. And we will see you next time. I don't know when it is. I'll hit you up again in a little bit and give you some more updates. Alright. Till next time, guys.